What's up, guys? We are back with another video, and as I said in the previous one, we are putting on some headers. So I'm gonna get my car jacked up real quick, and then we'll get started on the install. Okay, so everything's unboxed and we are going to get started now. That's out. And then taking out the underbody panel. Should be 10 mils. It's got two 10 mils. And I'm gonna take off the underbody panel now. Whole bunch of clips, yo. Jeez, I scraped under here bare. What the? Crack this. Oh my god. Nope. Okay, got the impact with the 12 mil. That shit's kind of loud. There we go. Finally. I think. Nope, one more. There we go. Let's see what's next, because I have no idea what I am looking for. What? So, looks like I need to disconnect right here. Why? What the hell? There's just a stud and a nut. And then header is 1, 2, 3. This side looks like 3 as well. Again, that's 1 right there. That's 2 right there, and then 3 is in between right there. I wonder if it's a 12. Really nice if it is a 12. I'm good. It is not a 12, it's probably a 14. Yes, let's get this on the way. Take those 3 out. Actually, I think I'll unbolt this first. Shit. I don't know how I'm gonna unbolt this, there's no room. It's also a 14. Meh, I don't feel like getting up. Before we crawl back under there, I'm gonna be a bit smart and open this package that Tomei that was in the box with the headers, and I'm just gonna test the socket on this to see if it's the right size before I crawl under, so I don't have to keep coming back up. Probably gonna grab a bit of PB Blaster and spray it on the connecting flange with the exhaust. Ooh, couple stickers, Tomei stickers. These are the header gaskets, and then the exhaust gasket. Need those. Bolt smooth paste. I think there's a bit of water. There is a bit of water on the camera. No idea what that's for. Guessing it's for these bolts, but no idea yet. We'll figure that out in a second. And please be a 14. 14. Perfect. I'm guessing these are for the exhaust. I have no idea what I'm doing. We'll figure it out. Who needs instructions? Okay. So I'm gonna unbolt everything first. I was zoomed in. I'm gonna unbolt everything first. Before we figure out where everything goes back. I don't know why it's stripping. Let's try this. Good thing I brought the extension. Bad thing the extension doesn't fit. Never mind. One is out. One is loose. Thing. That one is now loose as well. Uh-oh, I think that's a stud. No idea. Everything is now loose. Let's get it. Let's get it. Look who it is. Yeah! Yeah! Everything's loose. Was Gucci. Fuck, where'd my socket go? I mean, oh fuck.
A guy wants to sell me boiler replica headers.
Boiler replica? I didn't even know boiler made replica. I mean, replica made boiler. Where's my ratchet? Bro, I'm kind of cheese. Where the fuck I put my fucking ratchet?
I come here and shit's already fucked up.
Shit. Bro, I legit was just using it. I only walked up until here.
What? It's on the fucking headers.
I'll say honest. Oh, hi!
Okay. So you're gonna stand the whole time? What the fuck, bro, why didn't you jack this up way higher? Why did you jack this up? You don't even have jack stands under this.
Yeah, I know.
You're fucking crazy.
I don't have jack stands. They're in Waterloo.
Fucking crazy.
Just don't shake the car or nothing. That's why I had to tie down the hood because it was kind of windy. I'll show the video. I forgot to show the video.
Don't lie.
I tied down my hood.
Tied it down, but it's not even tight.
Yeah, just tighten enough so it doesn't smack the windshield. I feel like this header is gonna drop on me and it's gonna hurt.
It's heavy.
Is this shit off? Oh! Oh! It's out.
Here.
Wait, uh-oh. Yo, fuck the O2 sensors. Oh, they're still clipped in.
Hey there.
Ah, I'm tripping! Tomei!
Okay.
You got?
Yep.
Okay, guys, header's out. And rock is in my eye. And it's out. I stand. Stand.
I need hammer.
Hammer undercar.
Oh, wait, wait.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Oh, buddy.
Fuck! Get off,
She's
man.
loose. Yo, aren't you supposed to like grease it up when you put it back on?
Yeah.
I don't got grease.
Fuck it. Okay.
And she's good.
Here. I'm gonna hop under. Stop being a pussy!
I'm being a pussy.
Let me hit it in. Then if I break it, I'll buy you a new engine.
Okay, pass me 2 nuts.
Oh, it's yiggling. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
It idles down one more time. Holy shit. Saying I start working at 6 a.m. Any leaks? Oh buddy, it's leaking I think. Hold up. Unless it's just melting off. Looks, there's a bit of smokage. I don't know. Oh. Yo, gas that bitch up a bit. Oh my god. Oh.
I thought it'd pop a little more.
Yeah, I know. I don't know. I'm happy. Oh my god, that's fucking crazy.
Neighbors are gonna hate.
Oh my god, I'm so happy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
They're actually gonna call the ops on you, bro.
This is what it's like from the inside. It's so nice.
Jeez, you got some nice spine keys. Oh, Mr. Love. It's nice. Oh, this is so nice.
So guys, I'm just editing this video right now and I realized that I never ended up closing the video. So hope you guys enjoyed the install. The camera died midway through filming, putting it back on, but it's whatever. It's literally the opposite of taking it off. Putting it on, there was a bit of a struggle, so we did a bit of hammering, bolted everything up, and then I think that was everything. So I might be doing another video with some exhaust clips just of what it sounds like flying by, revving it, just things like that. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Be sure to subscribe because in the next couple of videos there is another interesting project. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, and we, or I, will see you guys next time.